I was looking for a good juicer from a long time. I tried a couple, but none of fit on my needs. Finally, I got this one. I tried out. I have used a couple times and it is working really good for me. I was looking for cheap in price, good quality, easy to clean, less wastage. I have a couple user before, but anytime I have a juice, they was mixing some of the wastage inside the juice. Or if you have a wastage here, it have a lot of juice inside, so it was not taking out enough juice from the fruit. So I tried this one. This one worked really good. They take out really juice out, and it doesn't have a waste inside the juice, and also easy to clean. So in this video we will be cover a couple things. We will have a test all kind of fruits in this one. We will also check how to clean this one, and we will also check the wastage, how much juice is leaving behind, and of course we will be testing for the taste. Before we start video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then click on a subscribe button, then ring the bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. Now let's talk about a little bit about the model number. It's made by Hampton Beach. They call Big Mouth Juice Extractor. I will leave more information in the description. If you decided to buy one, you can look around. This video is not a sponsored video. I'm making this video with my own money. Let's check a little bit more close. We have that's the way the front mouth where we're gonna drop a fruit inside to make a juice. And this one is pusher. We have an on-off switch this side. We have about like 3 feet electrical cord with it. You take these clamp. There is 2 clamp, one this side. We have a one this side. And top part will come off. That's the wastage. Like after fruit we got the juice, wastage come over here, and juice get from here. Only the one thing I noticed, you cannot put a big cup over here. It's only a certain size, and from here you can just pull this one up. It will come part, and this will come part too. So you can clean. That's all you have to clean. And once you're done, just put it back. It goes same way. This will click in. You put this one back under. Put this one on top. That's it. Then we're gonna lock it back again. That's all you have to do. For cleaning is really easy. It also comes with a brush. You can clean the screen. For test, I have a couple kind of fruits here. I have a orange. We have apple, I have some spinach, carrot, pineapple. All fruits, these are ready. I took a skin out of orange. We're gonna use like that, not with the skin. And pineapple, I have to clean it. We have to take a hard skin out. We need only white part from inside. I just need to clean this one, and all the other fruits are ready to throw in this Big Mouth Hampton Beach juicer. So first, I will have some carrots. I'm going to use this cup to transfer juice because I cannot put a big mug underneath, and then we will transfer to other container. I will be transferring this mug a lot of juice out of those carrots. We can open and we can check how much juice is left behind. Actually, it is just a dry and have not much. It's all dry. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grind a lot of carrots, then we'll check all once. So now I'm done with the carrot. Here I have about 8-pound carrot grinded, and all is like waste, not a much of a juice left behind, it's all dry. So after that we're gonna throw some orange, apple, celery, spinach and pineapple. So now I'm going to mix pineapple, apple, celery, spinach separately. Then I will do orange separate. Now the last one, I'm gonna throw some orange. Next part for cleaning. For cleaning, we're gonna take those parts out. Take it off. We just need to take this one and trash. This one goes in trash. Clean it out. We'll take this piece out. We will dry clean this one just with the paper. We don't have to use water. Clean it with clean paper. This piece we cleaned. That's all. The other part we're gonna take in the sink. We'll clean it out. Now we finished with the juice. We have all juice front of us. Left hand side we have a carrot juice. Middle one is apple, spinach, celery and pineapple. The last one from the right hand side is like orange and pineapple. It's really delicious juice. I tasted already. There's nothing like no waste inside. It's really good. Healthy juice. This juice is work really great through because I have a juice already about like 8 pounds of carrots, about like a pound of apple and a lot of oranges. That's all for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic. If you have any comment, leave in comment box.